The processes photosynthesis, respiration, and fermentation all change the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Which processes increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? So photosynthesis uses up carbon dioxide, hence the carbon dioxide amount decreases. In respiration, we see that oxygen is consumed and carbon dioxide is formed, which means that the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases. Similarly, in fermentation, the amount of carbon dioxide produced increases. So the processes in which the amount of carbon dioxide increases are respiration and fermentation. If we take a look at the options, we see that option C has both processes mentioned, so the correct answer is option C. In option A, we see that photosynthesis is incorrect. Similarly, in option B, photosynthesis is incorrect, and in option D, the answer is incomplete because fermentation is also a process which increases the amount. Question number 34. Which process would destroy the bacteria in water? The first option is chlorination. This is correct because the chlorine kills the bacteria in water. So the correct answer is option A. We still take a look at the other options. Option B is desalination. This is incorrect because it is the separation of dissolved materials in water. Similarly, filtration is incorrect because it is the removal of insoluble materials. And option D, which is treatment with carbon, is incorrect because carbon is used to remove the odors and tastes in water. Question number 35 states, which compound has more than 2 carbon atoms per molecule? Option A is ethanoic acid. The formula for ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. It only has 2 carbon atoms, so option A is incorrect. Option B is ethanol. The formula for ethanol is C2H5OH. Again, we see that there are only 2 carbon atoms per molecule, so option B is incorrect as well. Option C is ethene. The formula for ethene is C2H4. Again, it has only 2 carbon atoms per molecule, so ethene is incorrect. This leaves us with option D, which is correct because ethyl ethanoate has the formula CH3COOC2H5, hence having 4 carbon atoms per molecule. Question number 36 is, the equations show some reactions of organic compounds. Which is an addition reaction? Addition reactions are those in which carbon-carbon double bonds are broken down to form carbon single bonds with the addition of more substances. In option A, we have methane plus bromine giving us CH3Br plus HBr. This is incorrect because it is an example of free radical substitution. Similarly, we have option B, which is incorrect because it is ethanol plus oxygen giving us ethanoic acid, which is the oxidation of ethanol. Option C states ethanol plus ethanoic acid, which gives us ethyl ethanoate. This is incorrect as well because it is the formation of an ester. Option D is C4H4 plus 2Br2 giving us C4H4Br4. This is correct because we see that there are no removal of hydrogen or carbon atoms from the given molecule, and all the bromine atoms are added into the compound to make a new substance. So option D is an example of an addition reaction. Question number 37. Which statement about methanol is correct? Option A is it can be oxidized to form methanoic acid. This is true because all alcohols can be oxidized to form respective carboxylic acids. We still take a look at the other options. Option B states it is a constituent of alcoholic drinks. This is incorrect because only ethanol is used to make alcoholic drinks. Option C states it is formed by fermentation. This is also incorrect because the product of fermentation is again ethanol. Option D states its fully displayed structural formula is CH3OH. This is incorrect because the fully displayed structural formula of methanol is the following, and we need to show the bond between the O and H atom. So the correct answer is option A.